I'm Logan Campbell, and today I'm going to walk you through Aerotas Products and Deliverables. At Aerotas, we use cutting-edge processing power and workflows to take your drone data and turn it into survey-grade CAD files that we call Linework. In this video, you'll learn what Linework is, what our different products are, and how to use them. So what is Linework? Linework is what we call the refined data that's extracted from our own survey-grade processing outputs, delivered in an AutoCAD DWG format with high-quality imagery backing. We have multiple product offerings that fit most surveying needs, whether you're collecting photo data, LiDAR data, or a combination of both. Full Linework is our flagship product offering that provides the best overall value. When you choose Full Linework, you get a clean tin surface, contours, break lines, and spot elevations, as well as all man-made features such as utilities, paint striping, buildings, signage, and more. Clean Topo Surface, or TIN, is the best choice when you're only looking for clean topographic data from your drone. This deliverable includes all useful surface data, a cleaned tin surface, contours, break lines, and spot elevations, as well as the edge of road and crown of road. It doesn't include any planimetric features. ALTA, or NSPS standards, is a Linework product that focuses specifically on the requirements of ALTA or NSPS surveys. This product includes all man-made planimetric features compressed into 2D, plus additional curb and wall lines, without any break lines, topo points, or a tin surface. Our base offerings are designed as one size fits most, but we realize that each project has its own unique individual needs. So we offer many different add-ons for each product to fit your specific scope. Each product has a different set of add-ons that can be selected. Be sure to read the descriptions of these additional options at aerotas.com/add-ons and compare them to our standard feature markings before you request them. Full Linework add-ons include a broad range of options, including building footprints, roof features, and utility marking paint, to road cross-sections, individual tree drip lines, and stockpile volumes, just to name a few. Clean Topo or TIN options include stockpile volumes, surface comparisons, rock outcroppings, individual tree drip lines, and road cross-sections. ALTA or NSPS add-ons include various Table A options, including a topo surface and contours, exterior dimensions of buildings, square footage of building footprints, measured height of buildings, and the number and type of parking spaces. If there's something you want marked that you don't see in our add-ons options, you can use the custom requests field to tell us what else you need. Keep in mind, we have a default layer for virtually everything that can be seen by a drone, so chances are your custom request may already fall within the scope of one of our standard layers. Once your project is complete, you'll receive an email with instructions to access your files. Click the link and create your login for Box via Aerotas. Please note, you have to accept the invitation to Box from Aerotas in order to access your files. Once you have access to your files, you should see a screen like this. Your primary deliverable is the zip folder. The Other Files folder contains intermediate processing outputs like the raw point cloud, in case you want to use those. You can download the zip file either by clicking the three dots to the right of the folder and selecting Download, or by clicking on the file itself and then selecting Download from the top of the screen once the page loads. Once the download is complete, unzip or extract the zipped file. Your computer should automatically route you to the correct folder where the files are unzipped. You'll notice the folder contains three separate files: an ECW, DWG, and TXT file. The main file is the DWG. Double-click on this to open the unzipped DWG file. Depending on the software you're using, the process to open or import the DWG file may vary. It's important to note that the DWG file is saved as an AutoCAD 2013 drawing by default for maximum compatibility. Once the drawing opens, you will see the completed Linework with imagery of the project site imported as an ECW file. The ECW file uses enhanced wavelet compression technology to provide the best possible image quality in a small file size that CAD demands. This feature is embedded in the DWG package, so no special software is needed to use it. Additionally, every drawing includes our Aerotas legend with all of our standard symbols. The drawing itself will include all of our standard layers and colors for features that are present in the project. Any break line, topo point, and surface layers will be turned off and frozen by default. To make these visible, simply unfreeze and turn them on again using the available toggles. Our Surface Civil 3D layer is included for all of our clients who use Civil 3D. However, we also include the tin surface as a Surface 3D face layer, which is more broadly compatible for use in almost any CAD software. All of our products adhere to an easy to understand and universal product standards that are documented for your convenience. Our How Features Are Marked page will show you how each standard feature is marked in our deliverables. Likewise, our Add-Ons page will define each add-on option. On our website, you can also download our CAD layer template. Our template makes it easy for you to translate our layers into your own custom CAD layers if you want to. Our job is to get you the data that you need in the time that you want. All of our products come with standard and rush delivery options to fit your needs. Our advanced processing infrastructure, coupled with our proprietary workflows and industry-leading expertise, allow us to deliver survey-grade products in a matter of days, not weeks. At Aerotas, we stick to the highest industry standards for survey-grade accuracy and quality, and we use efficient, reliable workflows to get you there sooner. Our team of experienced professionals run quality checks at every stage of processing to ensure that you get back a deliverable that meets your project's accuracy tolerances every time. We hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions, we'd be more than happy to answer them. Feel free to shoot us an email or sign up today at aerotas.com to get started. Thanks for watching.